Alexa has evolved into a universal personal assistant. We were curious about what features the Alexa team enjoys that many of us are unaware of. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we're taking a look at some cool Alexa features you might have missed that will make you feel more at ease with our robot overlords. Number 13. Routines. Routines allow you to automate a series of customizable actions using your preferred voice commands. Say, Alexa good night, for example, to have Alexa turn off the lights, lock the door, and play sleep sounds. You can also set up routines based on the time of day. For example, turning off your alarm will trigger Alexa to share a fun fact, an update on the day's weather, and a playlist of songs from Amazon Music. Routines are used to turn off groups of lights, such as all of the ceiling lights. As I mentioned a few weeks ago, I also use them to turn on the lights when it's time to wake up and to control the hall lights. Number 12. Externally triggered routines. Voice commands, reaching a certain time of day, being in a certain location, various smart home triggers, some alarms, and even the sound of breaking glass can all be used to trigger routines. However, Alexa routines cannot be triggered by events such as a sale in your Etsy shopping cart or a BART train delay. You'll need to install the Voice Monkey skill to use these external triggers. This is a free skill that connects to IFTTT, Zapier, RESTful API, and various smart home platforms. Setting up these links is not a simple process, but if you want Alexa to notify you of a train delay by turning all of your lights orange, Voice Monkey can help. Number 11. Integrate Android Tasker automation with Alexa. Okay, let's get a little geeky for a minute. Tasker is one of my absolute favorite Android apps. It's a scripting programming environment that allows you to customize many aspects of how your Android device works. 3 apps are actually required. Tasker is the first. The next feature is Auto Voice, which lets you create custom voice commands for Google Home and Alexa via the Alexa app. Finally, you'll need the Alexa app. When you have all 3, you can use Tasker to program almost anything. Do you want your house lights to turn a cooler white when you rotate your phone from portrait to landscape? You'll be able to do it with this. Number 10. Delete everything Alexa has recorded. Within its earshot, Alexa does not record active conversations. However, it does record requests after hearing a wake word, and it occasionally records comments after hearing a wake word. Simply say, Alexa, delete everything I've said, and Alexa will delete everything it has heard, both locally and in the Amazon cloud. Number 9. Send money to your kids. It can feel like you're just a human wallet to your children at times, but they require your assistance. If you're far away and you want to send them a few dollars via PayPal, connect the PayPal skill to your PayPal account. Please keep in mind that this only works in the United States and is based on your top contacts. But once you've done that, you can say, Alexa, send $10 to Bobby, then Alexa, play Jason Earl's Ain't Got the Money Blues. Sure, just because. Number 8. Order a pizza. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this skill before, but nothing beats saying, Alexa, open Dominos and place an order. Obviously, you'll need to connect your Dominos skill to dominos.com and create an ordering profile. Your local Dominos will complete your most recent order as well as any easy orders you've set up. Take a seat and wait. Pizza will be delivered to your door shortly. Heartburn, on the other hand, will arrive about 2 hours later. But it was all worthwhile, right? By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, number 7. Announcements. Customers can use announcements to make one-way announcements to all of their other Alexa-enabled devices, including Echo, Echo Show, and Fire TV devices. Customers can say things like, Alexa, announce that dinner is ready, or Alexa, announce that it's bedtime, and Alexa will broadcast those announcements to all of their other devices. My wife and I frequently make use of announcements. We have a fairly large house, and it's a great way to yell from one end of the house to the other when I'm in the workshop or she's in a crafting space. Number 6. Reminders. Alexa can notify you when something is happening. You can, for example, ask Alexa to remind you when your favorite TV show will be on. You can also set recurring reminders or location-based reminders. Additionally, Alexa users can assign reminders to other members of their household by simply asking Alexa or using the Alexa app. We also use this frequently. I frequently set a 3D printing reminder to remind me to check the status of a lengthy printing process. We also use it for food preparation, along with timers. Number 5. Dropin. Dropin can be used to establish an instant connection to other Alexa devices in your home, similar to a two-way intercom. Or, group drop-in can be used to instantly connect all of your Echo devices into a group conversation. Drop-in can also be used to communicate with close contacts who have granted you drop-in permissions. There was some concern about this feature a few years ago, but it appears to have blown over and is now used quite frequently by many households. Number 4. Emergency contact. After you register for Alexa communication and add your contacts, you can use the Alexa app to designate any contact with a supported US phone number as your household's emergency contact. When you or someone in your house says, "Alexa, call for help," Alexa will try to call and text your emergency contact. Number 3. Grocery help. Allow Alexa to assist you in staying on top of your shopping needs by adding items to your list. "Alexa, add spaghetti and meatballs to my shopping list," you can say. You can check the list in the Alexa app while you are out and about, and you can even share it digitally with someone who is assisting you with your grocery shopping. In some areas, Alexa can also help you figure out what you can use as a substitute ingredient or order the item from Amazon Fresh or Whole Foods Market. We make extensive use of this feature. Alexa's lists are linked to any list. We have a grocery list, a Costco list, a Harbor Freight list, a Home Depot list, and other lists as well. I just said Alexa add strawberries to Costco because I just finished the last of them and didn't want to forget to get more. Number 2. MultiRoom audio. Speaker groups enable you to play music, podcasts, and news on multiple Echo devices at the same time, creating a multi-room audio experience. You can create custom speaker groups in the Alexa app, such as upstairs, bedrooms, or downstairs. You can also say, "Alexa, play music everywhere," and music or audio will play simultaneously on all supported devices in your home. Number 1. Reading Sidekick. Reading Sidekick is an Alexa learning experience that assists young readers in developing fluency and a love of reading. It works with hundreds of titles and is an excellent companion for supplementing children's cherished reading time with their parents and teachers. A child with an Amazon Kids Plus subscription can start reading Sidekick by picking up a compatible physical book or e-book and saying, "Alexa, let's read," to any Amazon Kids-enabled Echo device. The child then tells Alexa the title of the book, and Alexa asks if they want to read a little, a lot, or take turns. Pixel, our wonderful little boy, isn't much of a reader. He does, however, enjoy staring at the TV and barking incessantly if he sees a horse or another dog. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What is your favorite Alexa feature? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.